This solves a huge problem for me. Most of the time, when my phone runs out of battery, I go for a battery bank. But then I find that the battery bank is often depleted also because I didn't plug it in. Well, this will solve it. I was sent the GOODAAA Power Bank, and basically it's a charging station for individual charging banks, and they're each 10,000 milliamp hours. Do you see where I'm going with this? That means you will always have at least one or two of these power banks charged up, and when they get depleted, you just put them back on the charger so they are always charging. So if you need to go somewhere, grab a charger, it's ready for you. When your phone dies and you need a charger, it's ready for you. So let's get this unboxed and take a look. All right, let's unbox this real quick. Ooh, inside we get stickers of cats and dogs. That's really sweet. Wow, that's a lot of stickers. All right, so we got the power station itself that will charge them. We got 3 batteries, a charging dock, puck, a cable, and then lots of stickers, which is kind of cool. And here is the charging station. It has 3 bays, charges via USB Type-C. It's a whitish color with kind of creamy color inside. And as you see, it's got the pins, and that's how it charges the battery. So here's the 10,000 milliamp hour battery. It has built-in cables, which I did not realize. One of them is lightning. Let's see if I can get this out. Oh, so here's USB-C built in, and it has a lightning. So a little stuck, a little hard to get out. Okay, I got it out. So it's got a built-in lightning cable and a built-in USB-C cable, but if you don't want to use the built-in cables, you want to use whatever you want, it does have a USB-C female port right there so that you can charge in whatever cable you want. So that's really cool. So if you don't have any cables, it has them built in, but if you have one, you have that. So let's get this thing set up. All right, I have it plugged in, and all you have to do is then take a battery. You see there's a groove right here, and you just slot it in. And you just put them in like that. So they sit on a shelf, a kitchen cabinet, I don't know, wherever you put it, and now they are charging. And what's really cool is that there is a little indicator. As you see, that light is kind of bluish, tealish, and on the instructions it says if it's red, it's below 25%, green means 50, blue is 75, and cyan is 100%. So I think that's cyan color. I'm not an expert on colors, but I think that's either blue or cyan, which means it is topped up, which is really cool. And it's very easy to just slide it in there. And again, it's really cool that it has lightning and USB-C built in and a USB-C female port right there. So I think this is a really cool idea. Something else I think would be amazing is if they put like a MagSafe ring somehow on it, so then it can snap to your phone and charge via MagSafe. But if they can't do that, at least allow it to stay there so then you can use the cable and just plug it in there. I think that would be phenomenal, because right now it's just basically it's a portable power bank that you have to hold on to, so you can't, the cable's too short to actually like use your phone with it. But if you're on the go and your phone is about to die, it's good that you have this with you and you know that it's topped up, because nothing is worse than having a backup battery that has very little to no juice in it. So what this problem solves is you always have portable power stations, batteries, 10,000 milliamp hour batteries that will charge a iPhone 2-3 times over. So this is really, really cool. So what are your thoughts? Is this cool or is this nah? Would you see yourself using something like this? Let me know in the comments below. But thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.